friends, welcome to TilottamaHandloom.in. I am Chaitanya. Today I am going to show you 10 sarees which are in sale. Today I will show you 5 tasar, bafta tasar and 5 pure silk saree. So let's start. This is saree number 1. It's bafta tasar. It's a golden zari border with block printed on it. It's pure orange with white block prints on it. It's all over the saree the same design. The pallu is in golden stripe with the orange panel, and the rest of the saree is the orange leaf motifs and panel straight line panel on it. This is how it's a saree look. It's the pallu. It's saree number 1. This is blouse piece with the golden border on it. Saree number 2. It's blue. It's royal blue. It's royal blue with the white blocks on it. It's folk motifs. Half of the body, the folk motifs, and rest of the body is plain. I will show the next half. This is the next half of the saree. Patli is plain and blouse is plain, and the first half of the saree, it's like this. Golden zari border on it. It's pallu in this design, and the blouse is plain white. Number 3. It's purple with the golden border both sides. It's mango polka all over the body. It's not half and half. It's all over the same mango motifs. Pallu with the same zari border and block on the in the middle part of the pallu. And golden zari border all over the side. Blouse is plain. This is the house side. Another bafta tasar. It's golden border on it. First half of the saree is orange with the rose motifs and temple borders. Zari border with the temple borders on it. And the pallu is the rose with the stripes. This is blouse piece. In hand there is a small block with the zari border. And the next half of the saree is dark brown. You can tell it's chocolate also. This is the patli part. This is the patli part. All these bafta tasars are on sale right now. If you like to purchase, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number 7890721706. Otherwise, you can order from our website. Please log on to our website. It's www.tilottamahandloom.in, and you can check the sarees there. Saree number 4. It's light chocolate. It's light chocolate with all over small flower motif on it, and both sides golden zari border. Pallu of the saree in this design, and the blouse is golden border with this light chocolate. It's very beautiful, soothing color. How it's saree look. All these are the bafta tasar. Now I am showing you the silk batik and block prints. Pure silk saree with the batik print on it. All these batiks are hand batik. Wax batik. The border of the both side border is like this. I will show you the pallu. It's big peacock on it. It's very beautiful. Big peacock on the pallu, and all over the saree this ornamental design. It's very beautiful. Its body is red. The red is a very soothing red. It's not too bright. This of the saree. All these are sarees. This saree is a pure Moshidabad silk 3-ply silk. The saree weight above 300 grams. Next pure silk saree. It's block print on it. Off-white body with a small flower motif on it. It's 2 borders. There is 2 borders. One is red and one is orange. Both side border is red and orange. And middle of the part is the jal flower motif. The pallu is this in panel. Simple pallu. And this one, orange is the blouse. Next saree is another batik printed pure silk saree. This is very beautiful one. It's all over crack batiks, all over crack body, and the border part of this ornamental design. Both side border have this ornamental design. It's pallu. And this brown is blouse piece. Our next saree is a dark pink. It has upper side border, no border in upper side, and lower side it's a simple plain border. It's one very smart saree. Those who like borderless saree, they can try this. This is pallu. Black is the blouse piece. And next half, lower half of the saree. It's half and half saree. Lower half of the saree is the black one. Black with this skirt border on it. It's the patli part on the saree. The patli is in black with white block print. And the upper half of the saree is this pink. This is the pallu. This is the last saree of this episode. It's off-white with the orange. The orange is very light, soothing orange. It's not too bright. This is the folk motifs in batik. It's pallu. Body is the template and the crack all over the body. And only patli part we use these folk motifs. And this patli part we use this folk motifs.